Guys, welcome back. Today I have taken a background with too many branches, stems and twigs. So I'm just going to draw because later I should not get confused and I should not be lay out of the track of the branches. I need to focus the and follow the track of these branches. I have taken four different shades of green, black, three different shades of gray, even brown. I need few flowers in distance. I'm not going to make it in a complete detailed manner. I'm just going to leave it with little colors. And my background is going to be more with green and gray. I don't know, I have just wanted this to be painted today, but I'm not sure how long it's going to take. When I complete this, I'm going to realize today whether this was a good idea or not. Just now I started feeling like it's definitely of more work. It's going to take most of my time because I have so many leaves also. Now I'm ready to do my flowers. I have selected the closest beautiful colors, rose pink and light violet. And towards the center, each petal has a light yellow touch and it has a beautiful center also. My background is not yet done. Still, I'll do it later on. Just I'm going to make only the four flowers in the middle with some detail work. The remaining flowers in front or in the background behind, I'm not going to make it a complete detail work. Just I'm going to leave it with some colors. And I feel these two colors are very close and they reflect each other and they are very beautiful, and definitely these colors are going to stand out in the green background. And I have beautiful tiny leaves. I use a scraper to make veins, and I have used all these four different greens to draw these leaves. Still I have to work on my background. Later, once I complete my flowers and branches, then I decide where I need the darkness, where I need to leave the light. I want this light to pass through these branches in very few places. And I use a swab to blend the colors. And really I love to work with oil pastels. It's wonderful. If you like my work, please subscribe and support my channel and give a thumbs up. And every time you can wait for a new beautiful video. I always take a lot of time to decide what I have to paint. Then sometimes I may not be knowing what I'm taking up. This is a painting which has less work to complete or it has more work to do. Today I'm going to definitely find out this. Now I'm using an ordinary pencil to make some fine lines and some small twigs to make my painting look so beautiful and look more natural. If you like my channel, my videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you on another video with some other beautiful painting. Until then, Take care. Bye bye.